Hello my lovely people, welcome back again to Happy Space Homemade channel. In today's video we're going to be making my black and I have my white bead now, and I have my fishing line. Any of the bead goes, so anywhere you want to take first, no problem. I'm going to be taking 2 black bead. I put it in any of the fishing line, 2 black bead and 2 white bead. And you use the last white bead to cross. So always join the ends of your beads together so one won't be longer than one. And I pull. Can you see that? Okay, now. So on this bead, my left hand side, I'm going to be adding 1 white, and on this my right hand side I'm going to be adding 2 black, which is 1 black goes first, then I'll use 1 to cross. So let's do it. Oh my god. So I'm going to be adding 1 white bead to the left fishing line, 1 black bead to the right fishing line, another black. Now always remember the bead that is ending it. Now I have black ending. I'm going to be putting 1 black bead and 2 white bead, 2 white bead. So 1 black and 1 white to the right and another white to cross. White to cross. Always remember to hold the ends of your beads together because you're just starting. So this is what we're having. So let's do it again. Now white is ending it. I'm going to be adding 1 white and 2 black. Easy, right? I know. So if you watch this video up to this extent, I know it's too early, but please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so guys, always remember to pull very tight so your bead will not be folding. Always remember to pull very tight. So is it making sense? Now let's do it for the last time. And this is it. So guys, I'm going to see you guys when I achieve the number I want. Okay, so guys, I've gotten the number of beads that I want for me to turn to start building up. Now I ended with black here. As you can see, my black is not yet complete, it's not up to 3 yet. I'm going to be adding 1 black here. I'm going to be adding 1 black to my left fishing line. I'm going to be adding 1 black to my left fishing line, and I pick 2 whites on the same left fishing line, and I'm going to be crossing with the right fishing line. This is just to build up. Okay, so this is what I have. As you can see, it has done. Now over here I'm going to be adding 3 beads as well. Okay, so now to build up, since I've turned, I'm going to add in 2 black and 1 white on this my left fishing line. So let's do it. 2 black and 1 white. So everything I added it to my left fishing line. I'm going to be using my right fishing line to cross. So this is what you should be having. So whenever you're ending with white, you should be starting up with black, and whenever you're ending with black, you should be starting with white. So now over here, I'm going to take this my right fishing line, pass it through this next bead, this black bead over here, and now it's going to be 1 white, 1 black. Put 1 white on the left fishing line, 1 black on the left fishing line, and cross with the right fishing line. So now, can you see it? Now it's going to be 1 black, 1 white. Pass in your fishing line to the next bead, which happens to be the white bead. Now you're going to be putting 1 black, 1 white, and you cross with your right fishing line. Pass in your fishing line, and you guys see that, pass in your fishing line. On this same right fishing line, you're going to be adding 1 white, 1 white, 1 black. So the white goes first, followed by the black. Same with your left fishing line. So I'm done with this step. So this is what your back should be looking like. So over here, when you count, you realize that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 beads. For us to build up another one, your angle needs to change. So now let me show you. Okay, so now let's build up and let's turn to get our zigzag shape. Now on this my right fishing line, I'm going to be adding, you can choose to turn it this way. You can choose to turn it this way so it will become your left fishing line. So on my left fishing line, when you turn, I'm going to be adding 2 whites. So the 2 white goes first, and I'm going to be adding 1 black. So this black is what I'm going to use and cross with my right fishing line, and I pull. So always pull very tight. So this is what you should be getting. Are you seeing it's turning already? With the same pattern, pass in your fishing line through the next bead, pull. Now I'm going to be adding 1 black, 1 white. So the black goes first, followed by the white, then you cross. So are you seeing it's turning already? This is nice. So now let's do it again. Pass in your fishing line through the next bead. Next bead that will be going in should be 1 white, then 1 black, and you pull, adding 1 black, on your right fishing line, you're going to be adding one black. So the black goes first, followed by your white, and you use your left fishing line to cross. Now this is the trick. Each row we need to achieve 5 lines, so always ignore this part. Always start counting from the third line, which is 1 2 3 4 5, and when you want to count this side, you still start from this last bead here, which is 1 2 3. Now we just have 3. So now let me show you the trick on how you're going to achieve the your 5th line. Now we have just 3. You're going to add 1 white first, then 2 black on the same fishing line, which is your left fishing line, and you cross. Voila, this is it. Are you seeing that? Now we have 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and you pass your fishing line through the next bead. Now I'm going to be adding 2 white, 2 black, 2 white, 2 black. No longer 1 white, 1 black. These are the things that people that makes bead online don't tell us. They don't just tell us the bitter truth, but the honest truth is that Happy Space is here to tell you. So if you feel you don't still understand this pattern, let me know. Let me look for a simpler pattern for you. So now I'm going to be adding just 2 white, and I cross. Are you seeing that? So guys, I'm going to see you guys when I get to the top of this bead. Now remember that we have 2 ways to achieve this. The first one is the black and white, and the next step, to progress with this design, is 2 white to black, 2 white to black. Why the other pattern is, the pattern we used down here was 1 black 1 white, 1 black 1 white, and over here, so when you're turning again, it's going to come back to the same 1 black 1 white. This one now you can talk.
Zigzag.